profiles, realtors. The double honor of being Alicia. A real estate empire has grown from the efforts of this mother-daughter duo by Ramon Martin. Alicia is a name that appeared in Florida's real estate dictionary in the 1970s, a decade that marked the great change in the urban profile of Brickell Avenue. After that came Miami Beach, downtown Miami, and more. Throughout 3 decades, this empire has grown in the hands of a respected mother and daughter duo, Alicia Cervera and Alicia Cervera Lamadrid. The mother was born in Peru, but came to the United States from Havana in 1961 with the first great wave of political refugees. She left behind a thriving real estate business founded with her husband. During that decade, and with the growing influx of Cubans, South Florida, particularly the city of Miami, began a process of social expansion that, sooner or later, would redefine the real estate market and the cultural profile of the city. With a clear vision of the future, Mrs. Cervera immediately obtained a real estate license, and in the early 1970s, Alicia Cervera's company was born. Coincidentally, in the first 5 years of that decade, more than one Hispanic woman decided to establish their own company. Today, they are million-dollar enterprises that generate hundreds of jobs. Thus, they continue making history. It is interesting to note that it was a woman that gave Alicia Cervera her first big break in business. To put it in her own words,
one of my professors used to say that real estate listings were the most important aspect of the business because even if the property was sold by someone else, you would still get 50% of the commission. I wrote a letter to the man who was the king of real estate at the time, Mr. Harris, owner of the Empire State Building in New York, and told him I was interested in his listings. We met in his South Beach residence where his wife told me, "I will hire you because you seem to be intelligent and hardworking, and also because I think you need the money." They gave me the first big listing in 1979, Palace on Brickell Avenue, a property that was worth $65 million at the time. We were lucky to sell it surprisingly fast.
There are plenty of stories of perseverance, hard work, and social achievements among the women of Alicia's generation who had to take additional responsibilities to provide economic and emotional support to the family, as well as keeping them united in a foreign land.
Fortunately, my mother has always been able to keep a perfect balance between the care of her family and the development of her business,
says daughter Alicia Cervera Lamadrid. Besides the name, Alicia Cervera Lamadrid inherited from her mother the talent and strength necessary to succeed in the business world. Born in Havana, she also came to Miami in 1961. Since an early age, she accompanied her mother when she went looking for properties. Although she studied psychology at the University of Miami, in 1979 she was already an expert in the real estate business. Mother and daughter lead 2 important real estate agencies, Cervera Real Estate and Related Cervera Realty Services, with countless projects and operations in Miami-Dade, Broward, Palm Beach, and Fort Myers. If someone wants to know the qualities needed for a woman to succeed, they only have to look at this pair: a good dose of talent, hard work, perseverance, honesty, and a commitment to provide first-rate service to their clients. With that philosophy in mind, Cervera selects her employees and keeps a solid, loyal, and growing clientele.
If you want to do this long-term, honesty and transparency with the client are 2 important factors. It is crucial to offer service that is consistent from the moment you deliver the property, and you cannot abandon the client after the closing. A good, long-lasting relationship is important because the same way they need a doctor or a lawyer, they also need a real estate agent,
says Alicia Cervera Lamadrid. This commitment has allowed them a continuity of service with clients from one generation to the next. And so, the legacy of knowledge and experience has also passed from mother to daughter. This dictum is also applied to promotions within the company. In Cervera's professional world, the person who occupies a position and wants to be promoted must, before anything, be able to prepare his or her replacement by sharing knowledge and information about clients from a personal point of view. The United States Congress gave Alicia Cervera, the mother, the award for Successful Immigrant Woman, an honor given to only a few members of her generation. But more than any award, her own life and examples are her biggest source of pride and satisfaction, as is the certainty of continuity that guarantees her daughter, Alicia Cervera Lamadrid, another woman that, on her own, has distinguished herself in the real estate business.